Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to create a folder in your GitHub repository without using the command line. Let's get right to it. First, navigate to your repository on GitHub. Look for the Add File button near the top of your file list and select Create New File from the drop-down menu. Next, you need to use the slash trick. In the box where it asks you to name your file, type the name of the folder you want to create and then immediately type a /. You will see GitHub instantly turn that text into a folder breadcrumb. You can even type multiple folder names separated by slashes if you want to create a deep subfolder structure all at once. Then you must add a placeholder file. Git is designed to track content, not empty directories, so a folder cannot exist on GitHub unless it contains at least one file. After your slash, type a file name like readme.md or simply .gitkeep. You also need to add at least one character of text into the file editor box below, or the commit button will stay grayed out. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Enter a short commit message explaining that you are adding a new folder and click the Commit Changes button. Your new folder and its placeholder file will now appear in your repository. A quick pro tip for you. If you want a more visual way to manage your folders, just press the period key on your keyboard while viewing your repository. This opens the web-based editor, which looks just like Visual Studio Code, allowing you to right-click and create new folders exactly like you would on your computer. If this quick guide helped you organize your project today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.